Hi, good night, everybody. Presentación Have You Ever by Eduardo Cuello Salcedo. Degree in English, second semester. Have you ever? Presentation to write down the 20% perfect question. Number one. Have you ever been to Machu Picchu? Have you ever? Number two. Have you ever played the guitar? Have you ever? Number three. Have you ever taken over 1,000 pictures just in one day? Have you ever? Number four. Have you ever met a famous star? Have you ever? Number five. Have you ever done exercise at the beach? Have you ever? Number six. Have you ever gone skiing? Have you ever? Number seven. Have you ever driven a motorcycle? Have you ever? Number eight. Have you ever drank tequila? Have you ever? Number nine. Have you ever driven a car? Have you ever? Number 10. Have you ever read Harry Potter? Harry Potter. Have you ever? Number 11. Have you ever found money on the street? Have you ever? Number 12. Have you ever studied English before? Have you ever? 13. Have you ever run a marathon? Have you ever? 14. Have you ever eaten tacos at home? Have you ever worked over 15 hours in your office? 15. Have you ever worked over 15 hours in your office? Have you ever? 16. Have you ever visited the Great Wall of China? Have you ever? 17. Have you ever had an iPhone before? An iPhone before? Have you ever had an iPhone before? Have you ever? 18. Have you ever swum with dolphin? Have you ever? 19. Have you ever lost your wallet? Have you ever lost your wallet? Have you ever? Answer please. 20. Have you ever studied asleep on your laptop? Have you ever studied asleep on your laptop? Thank you very much so much.